Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Mailchimp application on your iOS device. So let's get started right away. First of all, on your iOS device, open up the App Store and then from the search box, go ahead and type in Mailchimp and start your search. Once you find the Mailchimp application, tap on it and you will see the Get button. Go ahead and tap on the Get button and this will begin the download and installation of the Mailchimp application on your iOS device right away. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when the installation is done, then you can tap on the Open button and then proceed with signing up to create a new account or log in to your existing one in order to start using Mailchimp right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Mailchimp application on your iOS device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.